Welcome everyone to the second part. This is my channel Charu's Knitting. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like. Now we are on the fourth row. This row will be done with green color. Here start the row with the chain 3 and then make one double crochet in every chains, and in the corner make 3 double crochet into the same space and then make 2 chains, then make more 3 chains. Make one double crochet into the every chain and make it till to the second corner. Thank you everyone to support me. Who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and guide me how to make it better. Into the second corner make 3 double crochet, then make 2 chains, then into the same space make more 3 double crochet. Make each and every chain one double crochet, and in the corners make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and more 3 double crochet. This is the way you complete the fourth row. Then in the end make a slip stitch and cut the thread. On the fifth row, same as start with chain 3, make double crochet in every chains, and into the first corner, second corner and third corner and fourth corner make 3 double crochets, 2 chains and more 3 double crochet, same as the fourth row. On the sixth row, start with chain 3 and make 1 double crochet in every chains, and into the corners make 3 double crochets and 1 chain, then more 3 double crochet. Repeat this process on the seventh row. Into the corners make 3 double crochet and 1 chain and make more 3 double crochet. You can use this rainbow granny square to make purses, bags and also blankets. Look, it is so beautiful. This is the granny square, rainbow granny square. Thank you everyone for watching my videos and support me. Thank you.